So today on Shark Tank India Season 5, history was made. A 13-year-old entrepreneur walked into the tank and left the shark absolutely stunned. You think age limits innovation? Think again. Meet Jayavardhan Tyagi, a 13-year-old from Ghaziabad who pitched an AI-powered healthcare platform that caught the attention of every shark in the room. So here comes Jayavardhan walked onto Shark Tank India 5 with Neuropax AI, an advanced assistive diagnostic platform powered by artificial intelligence designed to help doctors deliver faster, clearer initial insights, especially in neurology and dermatology. What's incredible, he told the shark this wasn't just a school project. He even quit his JEE coaching to build this full time. Now, let's learn what is Neuropax AI. Neuropax AI isn't your average app. It's an AI-driven medtech assistant that aims to support healthcare professionals by giving patients clearer health insights, helping track and manage health data, assisting doctors with initial diagnostic clarity. Instead of using AI for simple tasks, Jayavardhan asked the shark, why limit AI to graphics and PPTs when it can help save lives? The sharks were visibly impressed. Aman Gupta called Jayavardhan a genius and a prodigy, and his maturity left everyone in awe. It was an emotional moment when his father joined him on stage, and the sharks applauded not just his innovation but his mindset. So, what did Jayavardhan want? He asked for rupees 60 lakhs for 5% equity. But money wasn't the only thing on his mind. He said mentorship and guidance to scale responsibly was even more important. At just 13, Jayavardhan pitch showed the world that innovation has no limit. Whether or not he gets the deal, he's already inspired millions. Did the sharks invest? What happens next? Comment below what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Shark Tank updates.